Welcome to Gadget Hub. I am sure you all remember the invisibility cloak that Harry and his friends used in the Harry Potter series to become invisible. So guys, you are actually going to see an invisibility cloak similar to that in today's episode. Other than this awesome cloak, you are going to see a lot of mind-blowing gadgets and products too. So I welcome you all to this world of cool gadgets and amazing products called Gadget Hub. If you want to purchase any of the wonderful products that we're going to show you, then we have given links to buy those in the description of the video. If you are visiting the channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and become a member of this ever-growing family. Press the bell icon so you're notified of the new uploads. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy this amazing journey. TerraSec 360. So guys, we will start with the TerraSec 360. This is what you call a transformer toy. This product can quickly change its shape from a linear toy to a circular toy by rotating itself 360 degrees in an instant. This awesome toy is operated by a remote controller. This runs very fast on the ground and can shift its shape while on the move, which means unlike some other shape-changing toys available on the market, you do not have to stop the toy to change its shape, but can do so while you're racing it. It has multiple modes like driving mode and rolling attack mode. If you're a fan of remote-controlled toys and are on the lookout for something new and different, then this is the product for you. You can buy this toy from the link given in the description. Bouncing car. Next up, we have the bouncing car. Guys, let's take a look at one more awesome product. This bouncing car has only 2 wheels and you have LED lights in the front. You can operate it using a remote control, and believe it or not, there are no obstacles that this bouncing toy cannot overcome, because this toy can jump up to a decent height. If this toy gets stuck somewhere, you could make it jump up and get it out of that space. This toy is very user-friendly and the material is lightweight too and does not get damaged very easily as it is designed in such a way to absorb impact. Ask your friends to get one of these and race with them. Since this is a compact toy, you can easily carry this anywhere. This is definitely a toy with which you can have a lot of fun. If we're talking about the price, then you can buy this for just a little over $25 from the link given in the description. Superman logo light. Next up is the Superman logo light. We regularly bring you toys and gadgets associated with the Marvel Universe, but we also need to take care of our DC fans. So, if you're a Superman fan, then this gadget is especially for you. Guys, this gadget is actually a logo similar to the one on Superman's chest, and it's not just a logo, but a logo with a light, or a lamp to be more precise. You can keep this as a showpiece on your table or in the shelf or anywhere in the room, or you could hang it on the wall too if you want. Keep it anywhere. This awesome looking product appears more amazing when it glows. The yellow light is very soothing to the eyes and makes you feel relaxed. Overall, this gadget is very suitable for DC fans, particularly Superman fans. The link to buy this too is given in the description. Bumblebee. Next is one of our favorite Transformers, Bumblebee. So guys, this toy is based on the 2018 movie Bumblebee and is going to blow your minds away because you can transform this little toy car into a Transformer in just a matter of seconds, and vice versa. The fact that so many small parts are bundled into this one small toy makes it even more special. You can buy this toy for just under $13 from the link given in the description. T-Rex. Next is this dangerous T-Rex. This T-Rex can move around and his eyes become red with rage and glow. The most special thing about this toy is, and I'm sure you're going to love this, the T-Rex actually throws out smoke from its mouth, which makes it look amazing. Let me show you what you need to do to make it give out the smoke. You will have to put this special liquid through the opening on its head. This liquid makes the head of the T-Rex hot and it starts spitting out smoke from its mouth. No, I'm just kidding. You get this liquid along with the T-Rex. You also get a remote controller to operate this. Then you have to pour the liquid in and switch it on and you're good to go. RoboMaster S1. So guys, of all the remote control cars that you've seen till now, this is probably going to be the most advanced and high-tech of all of them. The thing that makes this special are its mecanum wheels. These are specially designed wheels, which means you get limitless options to move this toy in any direction that you wish. This toy consists of a blaster, motor, hit detector, motion controller, gimbal, and many such advanced features which we don't normally see in any RC car. You can even control this using your smartphone or tab. Also, these have blasters and you can use those to set up fights with your friends, and the person with the better driving and shooting skills is going to win this one. The pellets used in the blasters are non-toxic and safe. You can use it wherever you want, be it indoors or outdoors. Transformers Light Car. Just like the supercar we saw in the Fast and Furious movie where a car jumps from one building to another and then to the next, this car is a mini replica of the same. The similarities do not just end there. You're going to be amazed by the other features that are present in this car. The doors of this car open and close in the butterfly pattern. You get some amazing lights inside the toy. These cars can rotate very fast while lying in the same position. You also have a lot of sound effects in this, and its doors open and close automatically. When there is an obstacle in front of this car, it steers clear of that. There are lights inside the car too, and once all the doors are open, the colorful light show on display is actually nothing less than a visual treat. This car is just like any other small toy car when you look at it normally, but its unique features make it different from the others. You can buy this at around $9 from the link given in the description. Invisible Cloak. Guys, coming up next is the product we spoke about at the beginning of the video. We now have an invisibility cloak similar to one that Harry Potter uses in his movies. You must be thinking if such a cloak could actually exist in real life too? Well, yes, it does. In a way. You just need to wear this cloak, download the official app of this cloak, and then you view it through the app. It's nothing but magic. Just like in the movies, the part covered by the cloak disappears. You can amuse your friends using this invisible cloak, and it's very easy to use. Had I told you just a few years ago that such a cloak exists, you would have laughed at me. But with the advancement of science and technology, things that seemed impossible are becoming possible each and every day. Rollover. You must be measuring a lot of things in your daily life, and probably you're using a measuring tape or a scale. But guys, handling and using these are not only a little difficult, mostly the measurements can be inaccurate too. As a solution to this problem, you can use this smart tape to get accurate measurements. This is Rollover, and it is very easy to use. You just need to switch this product on and drag this on the surface that you need to measure. And this smart tape will show you the correct measurements. Mama Pad. People travel a lot, and carrying infants during such travel is a sensitive task. You have to be very careful. So for that, you can use this product to carry your kids safely with you. This product also makes it easier to carry your kids. Also, from a safety viewpoint, this product is a very good option. Ice Genie. Summer is here, and one of the most in-demand things during the season is ice. So during this summer, you can use Ice Genie in place of the traditional trays in your freezer. While the normal trays take up a lot of space in the freezer and it's difficult to take out ice from those trays, this Ice Genie takes up less space in comparison and gives more ice. It is also very easy to take out the ice from this Ice Genie. So what are you waiting for? Go check out this gadget in the link given in the description. Super Lizard. The last product in this video is the Super Lizard. Guys, no need to be scared. This original looking lizard is actually a robot. Its design and movements are similar to an actual lizard. You have to assemble the parts inside the pack that you receive using the instruction manual provided along with the product. So that's a creative task in and of itself. This thing has a follow me mode too, and when you activate it, the toy lizard starts following your hand movements. There is also an escape mode, and when you activate that mode, the lizard starts to move away from you. Overall, this lizard is very advanced, and that is perhaps why it's known as a super lizard. So guys, if you liked the video, then please click on the like button, and if you've not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to it now and press the bell icon. Stay safe and enjoy. We will meet you soon with some new gadgets in the next video. Thank you.